Hello everyone and welcome to day 15 of our Math ACT Prep Review. Let's get started here. It says simplify 16r cubed t z to the 5 divided by -4 rt cubed z squared. Now when you look at all the answers, they all have the -4. And 16 divided by -4 is -4. So we're done with that. Now, we got to try to figure out what answers are we going to throw out. Well, we got 3 that are fractions and 2 that aren't. I'm guessing that it's going to be one of the ones with fractions just because there's more of those. But let's try to do part of the problem before we decide that. So I'm going to make a line here. The way I like to show it, first of all, if the variable does not have an exponent, put a 1 there. It's understood to be a 1. Now, let's look at our r's. We got r cubed and r to the 1. We've got more r's on top, so we're going to put the r's on the top. And then subtract your exponents. 3 minus 1, 2. Now, let's look at the t's. We got t to the 3 on the bottom and t to the 1 on the top. We've got more t's on the bottom, so we're going to put it on the bottom. And then subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, we already know it's a fraction, so these are gone. Also, when I look at the answer, there's only one answer that has r squared on the top, and this is it, so that's our answer. So if it was me, I would be done and moving on to the next problem. But we're going to finish it anyways. Now, where are there more z's? There are more z's on the top. There's z to the 5. On the bottom, there's z2. So there's more on the top. Subtract 5, take away 2, 3. And there is the rest of your answer. We already know it's a -4 there if you want to put that there. Now I'm going to show you another way to do the letters. So let's just look at the letters. We've got r cubed times t1 times z5 all over r1 t cubed z squared. If you struggle with the rules, r cubed is just r times r times r. Then you got 1t, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 z's. Remember, when you multiply, you add the exponents. These exponents are 1, so that gives you 5. On the bottom, you got 1r, you got t times t will give you t cubed, and z times z will give you z squared. So I can take 1r off of each of these. I can take 1t from each. I can take 2 z's. And what do I have left? R squared over 1, 2, t squared, and then I got 1, 2, 3 z's on the top. And there you go. Just another way to do it. Have an awesome day. Thank you.